Ombudsman. Sinampan ng kaso sila Tinggoy.
Isa lang yung tatlo.
Pakinggan. Pakinggan natin. Para marami matutunan.
Afternoon, our friends from the media. Today, the Ombudsman has approved a review resolution that has caused the immediate filing of criminal information before the Sandigan against Senator Jose Jinggoy P. Estrada, former DPWH Secretary Manuel M. Bonoan, and several local DPWH engineering officials. Following a rigorous independent evaluation of the investigation forwarded to us by the NBI DOJ Public Works and Rigging Task Force, our office will cause to indict the principal respondents for murder under Republic Act 700, violations of Section 3E of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act under Republic Act number 19. Charged alongside Senator Estrada and Secretary Bonoan are engineering officials from the National Capital Region. Assistant District Engineer Delril Cesar Escora and District Engineers Manny Bulusan and Arturo L. Gonzalez Jr. The cases stem from an intricate mechanism involving illegal budgetary insertion and project allocations in the DPWH infrastructure portfolio fiscal year 2025. Our evaluation shows that substantial public funds are delivered into designated infrastructure projects in exchange for predetermined commission fees or kickbacks. Case records point to an accumulated sum of payouts amounting to an aggregate of over 453 million pesos, which were systematically delivered to the respondent, Senator Jimmy Estrada. The office acknowledges that the LBRMO, Legislative Budget Research and Monitoring Office, has issued a certificate regarding the absence of documented initiation of budget insertions by the respondent. However, this certificate does not capture all stages of the budgetary process, wherein insertions may be made in a layered method. I would also like to clarify the status of the other individuals originally named in the complaint. The charges against former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cathy E. Cabral are formally dismissed by reason of her passing pursuant to the revised penal code. Meanwhile, former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto R. Bernardo, former NCR Regional Director Gerard P. Opulencia, and former Bulacan 1st District Engineer Henry C. Alcantara have been formally excluded from the criminal sets of information filed. This is in view of their official admission into the Department of Justice's Witness Protection Program under Republic Act 6981. I want to emphasize that this is very clear. Our case is built on solid, immovable evidence. These state witnesses have provided comprehensive, cross-corroborated sworn statements that map out the execution of this scheme from its inception down to the logistics of the illicit payouts. As for our next steps, the criminal sets of information before the Sandigan Bayan. Following standard judicial procedure, we anticipate the immediate raffling of the case to determine which specific division of the anti-graft court will handle the trial. Once assigned, the designated division will conduct its own independent judicial evaluation of the records. If the Honorable Court finds probable cause, we anticipate the subsequent issuance of warrants of arrest against the principal respondents. The Office of the Ombudsman has recommended no bail for the respondents in this case. Likewise, the office will pursue whole departure orders for the respondents so as to preserve the integrity of the case in court. The Office of the Ombudsman is determined to pursue all cases still pending. We have one shot to get these cases right. The Filipino people need to see justice. This office is here to make sure we deliver just that. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. I will not be entertaining any questions as of this moment, but we will make sure to publicize any developments as they come.
So
Maraming salamat.
26 shelters sa Senate.
So, maliwanag. Walang piyansa. Eh. Magkikita si Bong Revilla niya at saka si kumpare niya. Na si Jinggoy at saka Bong Revilla. Magre-reunite sila ngayon. Reunite. Hindi po ba? Magkasama sila sa ano? So, kung wala naman po kasalanan sila Jinggoy, sila Bunuan, tsaka yung mga district engineer na binanggit, edi manindigan sila, ilaban nila. Sabi nga ng ombudsman, kailangan ng tao ng hustisya eh. Diba? Sabi ni Assistant Ombudsman, siya po kasi nag-file ng ng kaso kanina sa Sandigan Bayan. Kaya baka bukas mayroon ng warrant of arrest yan. Sana sumuko na lang sila. Huwag silang gumaya kay Bato na gusto ni Bato, run Bato run. Yan ang gusto niya, tsaka tagu-taguan, larong bata, mga baril-baril siguro. Wala na kasi na yung mga lisensya ng kanyang baril. Ako. Kaya, lalo na kung nagbabayad kayo ng bis, mas gusto nyo makita yung katarungan. Isipin nyo na pinapasweldo ninyong mga yan. Pagka nagtatrabaho ka sa private, nagbabayad ka ng bis, isa ka sa mga magbibigay sweldo sa mga taong gobyerno. Mga senador, mga district engineer, mga yan. Isa ka sa nagpapasweldo, pagkatapos malalaman mo, ninanakawan ka pala nila. Dapat lang malaman natin yung At ang maganda rito, yung kanilang kaso, walang piyasa. Walang piyasa. Kaya magre-reunite naman uli si Bong Revilla at si Jinggoy na magkumpare yan. At magkasama sila kay Napoles. Yung Napoles, naalala niyo yun? O na-absuelto silang pareho. Kaya kung walang sala, huwag silang matakot. Opo, pero kung meron, dapat lang silang managot naman sa ilalim ng batas. Opo, sige. Kukunti na lang ang bilang ngayon ng majority sa Senado kung mawawala. Kasi 12 sila eh. Wala si Bato. Kaya mawawala na yan si Jinggoy. Di 11 na lang sila. Pero 11 na lang sila pareho ng minority. Paano kung magkikita sila sa Monday? Palagay ko sa Monday magbabago ng liderato ng Senado niyan. Siyempre, sunod-sunod na yan. Susunod niya si Joel Villanueva. Ayan. Yan, si Bongo. ICC naman yon. Kaya, dapat lang makamit ng justisyang taong bayan. Sige. Taxpayer kasi ako eh. At the age of 20 po, nag-empleyado na ako sa private government. Private. Hindi ako nagtrabaho sa gobyerno. Nagbabayad na ako ng bis. Kaya sa akin, masakit na nagbabayad ka ng bis kasama ka sa pagunlad ng bansa mo. Yung pala ninanakawan nila ang taong bayan. Sabi nga ni Pastor Benny Abante, congressman yun eh. Sabi niya kay Sara, pera na taong bahay niya ginagastos mo, hindi mo pera yung nilulustay mo, sabi niya. Sige po, sana meron kayong natutunan, nabanggit na ng Assistant Ombudsman. Po, sila nag-file kanina ng kaso kanina sa Sandigan Bayan. Sige po, hanggang dito lamang yung kaibigan Jesus, Brother Manny Bautista. ang masama labas sa katotohanan na sa Biblia. Babayo.